Are you searching for the best handheld digital oscilloscope? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best handheld digital oscilloscope in 2024, which save you time and money.
Number 1. This product we've selected is currently the most popular in the market and stands out for its exceptional quality. So far, it has sold the most units, orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 2. It's another most popular and best-selling product. This product offers great value for its low price. If you're looking for something affordable without compromising on quality, this is a great choice. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 3. This is best quality product on the market. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 4. This is another best quality product. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time.
Number 5. ZOYI ZT702S 2-in-1 Handheld Digital Automotive Oscilloscope 2.8-inch IPS Full-View Color Screen Oscilloscope Multimeter. Trigger function: auto normal single, MIS 400 volts input, automatic measurement scan, 200 millivolts div 10 vertical sensitivity, 850 ns div 20s to div horizontal scan range, 20 ppm time base. Accuracy: digital oscilloscope, dual mode design of oscilloscope and multimeter, 1-button switch mode, automatic obtain waveform, time-based calibration, data storage, data export, language selection, shutdown time setting, backlight adjustable, data transmission port, 3V 1 kHz square wave output, memory and other functions, easy to operate, improve work efficiency. Digital oscilloscope multimeter, widely used in automotive, industrial equipment, sensors, heavy electrical equipment, finishing, and low voltage systems. Multimeter tester mode, 9999 counts, AC voltage 0 to 750 volts, DC voltage 0 to 999.9 volts, DC AC current 9999 A, resistance 0 99.99 melms, capacitance 0 to 9.999 mmff, frequency 0 99.99 kHz, temperature -20 degrees Celsius, diode, continuity measurement. It is suitable for voltage tester instrument of household, school, shopping mall, and laboratory circuit system, and can also be used for digital multimeter of socket, switch, lamp, and low voltage circuit. Safety overload protection, conforms to CTA 1000 volts, CTA 2600 volts safety level, meets CE certification requirements, AD high sampling conversion, 200 mA to a 10A double ceramic fuse, ABS plus TPE double injection molding process, strong durable,